What do you mean a bunch of kids tried to do a real-life predator catch and one of them actually got abducted? Like, girl, they watched one Chris Hansen clip and thought they were ready for Law & Order.
Be serious.
So instead of calling the police like normal people, these kids set up this whole YouTube sting operation. They're messaging some grown predator online, and when it's time to catch him, they don't send a fake decoy, oh no.
They send a literal 12-year-old boy into his car.
Like, babe, that's not bait, that's same-day shipping. And of course the guy locks the doors and drives off. That wasn't even a predator catch.
That was Amazon Prime for kidnappers.
Congratulations, you just gift-wrapped a child. Like, what even was the plan? Were they gonna yell gotcha and hope he felt guilty? Use Nerf guns?
If that man was stronger than all of them,
He could have just scooped up the whole squad like Thanos collecting Infinity Stones.
Thankfully the boy escaped, but girl, this is exactly why kids should not be out here playing to catch a predator. Rand signing off.